Okay, so this quick video is going to be on your minimum wage argumentative writing assignment. Here's a picture or a video of it again. This should be on Google Classroom. But I'm going to show you how today to use the SIRS Researcher and to get to the 2 to 3 articles in support of your opinion and 1 article against your opinion. So the SIRS Researcher, if you just type in SIRS Researcher on Google, then this comes up and you put in the username of 6975WLHS, the password, which again, both of those are right there. You see those right there. Use those for the username and password. I'm going to do this right. Right there. Put those into there. You hit log in. And then all you have to do is, in this bar right here, type in minimum wage. And then you want to click on the minimum wage here. And this is where you're going to see an overview or summary of what kind of the debate is all about. And here's my essential question to you. Should the minimum wage be raised? So viewpoint 1 says increasing the minimum wage would reduce poverty. Viewpoint 2, increasing the minimum wage can have adverse effects on the economy. So viewpoint 1, this would be somebody that's in favor of raising minimum wage. Viewpoint 2 would be somebody that's opposed to raising minimum wage. So what you need to do now is you need to read, if you're 2 articles, what you need to read that go with your idea. If you think the minimum wage should be raised, then you need to read 2 articles of this in support of your viewpoint. And then you also need to read 1 article that goes against your viewpoint. That way you can have some rebuttals against their ideas. Okay? So again, 2 articles reading of the viewpoint you are in favor of, and then 1 viewpoint or 1 article of the viewpoint you are opposed to. Okay? Therefore, if you notice on the minimum wage argumentative writing assignment, you can see here that you need to find evidence that would come from the articles that you are in support of, again, and you need to use the research they have in there. Use the data they have in there as your evidence. Reasoning, explain why your evidence would support your claim. And then the counterclaim and rebuttal. So this is where your article against your opinion is going to be used. What is a counterclaim against raising minimum wage? You know, maybe it is that small businesses would have to lay people off. Okay, so you'd write that, you know, this, and then your rebuttal to that would be your rebuttal to that counterclaim. Again, you need to have 2 of those. You also notice down here, I have some possible sentence starters for your claim, the evidence, the reasoning, and the counterclaim and rebuttal. So up here you would say, on the other hand, some people believe that raising minimum wage would lay off more workers. However, so on and so forth. And that is how you would write that writing assignment. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. But again, this is the website you need to use, and this is the articles you need to be reading to complete your CERR or argumentative writing assignment.